All right guys, today we have the new and improved FX Plus, the rose gold and the silver. Now if you guys can see from this angle, don't judge me, I did already open these for an Instagram reel, but I want to open them up with you guys today, go over some of the new features from these clippers. These are basically the old original Gold FX, rose gold and silver, but new and improved. So we're gonna look at some of the new features, we're gonna test them out on a haircut, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it. All right, so like I said guys, I did already open this up. We're gonna go ahead and take this stuff out. It does come with the clipper, obviously, pretty standard here. We have the guards 1 through 8 or a half through 8, blade cover, clipper brush, screwdriver, and some clipper oil, an extra cam follower, the instruction manual and the sticker, and the cord. If you guys look here on the side, here are some of the new upgrades. So it does have the upgraded N1 brushless motor. And guys, that is what is in the new FXOnes, and it is unreal. So super quiet. It does have a new upgraded battery. I'm sure on the back it will tell us how much battery life, and it does take USB-C charging now. So a little more detail here on the back, and this is the FX clipper. I do have the rose gold. This is the silver, I should say. But here's the upgraded N1 dual ball bearings for more efficiency, 6,800 RPMs, long life. It does have up to 3 hours of runtime. So I think the old one was about 2 hours, so a little bit of an improvement there. You can see here stainless steel taper blade. You know, everything's been coming with a fade blade, so I do rock with the taper blades. I'm excited that it has that. It does have the all metal grip, 5 to 10 locking stretch taper lever. You can use it corded or cordless. Obviously we're going to charge them and use them cordless. It does have the hanging hook, and it does have new standard and USB-C charging ports and the 8 guard attachments. So you guys can see it here, nice and shiny. Don't mind the fingerprints, but you guys can see this is just like the original Gold FX, nice and shiny silver, and an extra fingerprint there as well. But basically exactly the same. The neural metal handle. We do have the power switch right here on the front, the logo plate. We do have the lever right here. It is the 5D tint taper arm, and there is our taper blade on the back. I'll go ahead and pull out the rose gold. So there's the rose gold next to it, guys. You can see basically the same. It does have a silver grip. I wasn't aware that it had silver on it. I've never had the rose golds or the silver, to be honest. I had the golds though. It does have a silver taper blade. Everything else is exactly the same. So I'm gonna turn these on and let you guys hear them. This is the biggest improvement, the new N1 motor. So nice and quiet, super powerful. It does get an immediate power, unlike some of the old FXs that take a second to kind of come up. Boom, it's right on, it's quiet. That brushless motor is just a total change. The N1 motor that's in the FXOnes that I love so much. If you guys are the OGs that like the old standard metal, I think these were originally called the metal FX, but the gold, silver, and rose gold, then you guys will like these with a couple improvements. Let's go ahead and grab the trimmer and see. I think it's basically the same thing, but we'll grab the trimmer and check it out, and then we'll test these things out. So on the trimmer, we do have the N1 motor, like we already talked about, 7,200 RPMs, up to 4 hours of runtime. So definitely an upgrade there. I think the old trimmers were 2.5 to 3 hours, so 4 hours of runtime. Does have the Deep Tooth 2.0 T blade. This has the graphite. The rose gold has the rose gold blade. Everything else the same. The metal grip, corded, cordless. It does have the hanging hook at the bottom, and it does take the USB-C charging. All right, so we're gonna look at the rose gold trimmer. Same thing here, guys. I already opened them, but we do have the zero gap setter, some clipper oil, a screwdriver, clipper brush, and the blade cover, power cord. Yeah, I thought this was in there somewhere. Another cam follower, which is helpful when it gets loud. We do have the power cord. I think I already said that, and the instruction manual. So we'll get all this out of the way again. And you guys can see the trimmer here. So same as the clipper, silver handle, the rest is rose gold. Power switch here does have, I didn't show you on the last one, there's our hanging hook, and there's our USB-C option that is on the bottom. So you guys can charge it either way. So this one comes with the rose gold 2.0. I would believe the other one has a silver. Yeah, let's get it out and see. Okay, so it has the graphite 2.0. So the 2.0, I don't remember exactly. I know there's the DLC blade, the DLC 2.0, but this is a skeleton 2.0. It does have a rose gold and the graphite. So here are the two. Go ahead and turn on one of these and let you guys check it out. So still had a little bit of that slow roll as it gets starting. I don't really know what causes that. That is something specific to Babyliss trimmers. The skeletons have always done that. Takes a second to pick up, but you guys can hear the brushless motor. A little bit quieter on the clipper, a little bit louder on here, but these are brand new, nice and quiet compared to, I could show you my other FX over there that is super loud. All right, so here they are, guys. You can see we're gonna go ahead and charge them up. I'm gonna do a haircut with them, just a little haircut, not a tutorial, just to test them out with the new motor. I think I'll use the silver FX set. So we're gonna take these over, charge them up, do a haircut with them, and I'll talk to you guys a little bit about them while we do the haircut. All right guys, so I messed up the audio. I'm gonna go ahead and do the voiceover the old fashioned way. I just want to tell you guys a little bit more about the clipper and the trimmer. These are basically the base model from Babyliss, right? So we have a lot of things that are maybe, let's say, cooler or definitely more expensive. We got the Boost with the rubber grip. We have the FXOnes with the removable battery. These are gonna be just our standard FX clipper, but obviously like we talked about, they are new and improved. So a little bit cheaper, probably like 20-30 bucks cheaper than the Boost, and a little bit more than that cheaper than the FXOnes. So
Obviously we could get the FX1s if we want the battery system, but if you guys want a solid FX clipper, these are a great improvement from the standard, the old motor that used to be in there, or even the boost. These are quieter than the boost. The M1 motor is really what makes the FX1s so good, and they are in these clippers and trimmers as well. So I was actually shocked when I put these to the head. They cut super well, super quiet. You get that crunch sound. I was absolutely impressed with these. Now I am a fan of the rubber grips. I am a fan of the FX1s, so these probably won't be my main clipper that I will use, but a lot of people love the rose gold especially, or just the standard FX. So if you are a standard FX user, if you like the rose gold, you're gonna wanna grab these. They are new and improved. They're absolutely better. They cut so much better. They sound so much better, and definitely an improvement that you guys are gonna wanna check out. And like I said, they are slightly cheaper than everything else you guys can get. Not everything else, but from the FX line or the FXOne line, they are cheaper than all the rest of them. So if you guys wanna check them out, you can head to babylesspro.com. I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of this video, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts.
All right guys, that is it for the silver and rose gold FX Plus review. Like I said, wasn't even gonna do a video on these. They're kind of just the old school ones, but I wanted to really test them out and see what was so much different. Like I said, the USB-C, we talked about it all in the video, but the USB-C charging, pretty cool. Absolutely, the M1 motor is a huge improvement. I hope it starts coming in everything else. So I don't know what clippers are coming next. Obviously, we already have the boost, but it's definitely an improvement from the boost. I wish I could take the motor out and put it in my customs that I just got because it is that much better. So like I said, if you guys are a fan of the original silver, rose gold, gold FX is just the all metal, the old school. These are more than likely a more affordable version if you don't want to go boost or FX1s, and they are absolutely more powerful. They cut amazing. They got that crunch sound, the trimmers hit, and those were just out of the box. They weren't even zero gap. They're not even adjusted that tight. If you guys want to check them out, I will put the link in the description. Head to babylesspro.com and you guys can grab the gold, silver, or rose gold. And if you guys want to see another unboxing, make sure you guys click right here and check out the last set that I just got from Babyliss.